Alright, I don't think the block heater's plugged in. Let's see, nope, block heater is unplugged. So, there's no glow plugs. It's just going to be a cold cranker up start. I think it'll start just fine. Lately it's been doing okay. So, I'll put you up there outside and let you guys enjoy the show.
Are you ready, Mr. Rathbone?
Oh, yeah. Start the music.
We're alive and smoking. Alright, there we go. I always let it run for about 15 minutes, let it warm up, get nice and hot instead of just starting it up and shutting it right down. Give it a good run, warm everything up, make sure there's no leaks, and we're good to go. Gotta love your diesel engine that ain't clogged up with all the emissions junk either. No catalytic converter, no diesel particulate filter, and none of this diesel exhaust fluid junk they're trying to throw on all the diesels these days. Gotta love it. Alright, last but not least, our switch isn't working right here, so we have to manually flip this back up to the Amarin side. And there we go.